Hello, YouTube family. My name is Ron with Ann, and we are the R&Rvers. Today, I'm going to do a review and installation on the Haloview B26 wireless backup camera. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss this. So today I'm going to be installing the Haloview B26 touchscreen wireless camera on my 2021 Alliance Paradigm 365RD. So right now I'm currently running one of the older versions of the Haloview camera, which is the Range Dominator, the RD7. Now this system comes with the rear view camera. I also have the surveillance camera, which is installed right above the entranceway, and I have two side cameras. Now, I do like this product, but I'm kind of used to touchscreen technology. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and install this camera, then we're gonna pair it, and then from there, we're gonna see what this camera has to offer. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing. So as soon as I get any product that requires installation, what I normally do, I pull out the instruction and I read it in advance. So that way I get a better understanding, in regards to installing any kind of products that I won't have any kind of issues along the way. So what I'm gonna do an inventory on what this B26 has in this box. So first it's gonna come with the camera system, which is rear backup, to include the antenna and to include accessories. Then it's going to come with the touchscreen monitor. Now, they do have another side, which is the 7-inch, which is the B27. Hopefully, I get the opportunity to review that camera system as well. It also comes with two mounting brackets, one for the windshield and one for your dash. Now, what I like about this too, they even include the power adapter for your Furrion pre-wired RV. So if you got a Furrion, you want to upgrade to the Haloview, you got a cable for that. You got the pairing cable, you got the cigarette lighter, you got the type C, which is USB, and last but not least, you got the camera conversion cable. So, and also you can actually purchase the extended antenna for those extended range capability applications. So this is actually doesn't come with the system, so it's sold separately. All right, so let's go and start the installation. So I went ahead and took the old camera off, so just to speed up the process, so that way I can go ahead and start the new camera. The camera conversion cable is pretty long, so I'm gonna go ahead and just cut this to a desirable length, so that way when I do install it, I can some of these wires are all inside the little space that the camera is going to be mounted to. So, but like I said, it's a very easy installation. So now if you don't feel comfortable installing the backup camera, I will actually hire a professional to do that for you, and so that way you have peace of mind. Now if you feel comfortable installing it, first thing I would do, I would actually get with my manufacturer and get a wire downgrade email to you, so that way you know what's negative and what's positive. Okay, so let's go and continue this installation. Now at this point, I went ahead and used the camera conversion cable to connect the wiring together, and then once I connected the wires, I went ahead and used the wire terminal caps. So I went ahead and crimped those to make sure they was tightly fit. So instead of me using the little rubber backing that came with the camera, I went ahead and used my existing one that came with my previous camera, and actually the screws and the holes are aligned together, so I had no issues with that. Now the challenge is trying to get all that wire inside that little channel there. So you might have to cut the wire a little bit. I'm talking about the camera conversion cable like I did earlier, and then once you push all the wire in there, it should be no problem. Then you take the camera, you connect it, and you align the screws, and after that, you should be good to go. And believe it or not, that was an easy installation. So right now, we're going to go ahead and step inside the truck and pair the monitor, which is a touchscreen monitor, to the B26 wireless camera. Okay, I'm back in the truck, so I went ahead and mounted my B26 touchscreen monitor to my existing bracket that I mount my old monitor, which is the RD7. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put it in pairing mode, but first, before you do that, make sure you cut the truck on, make sure you connect it to your camper, and make sure you turn your headlights on, because this is the only way it's going to work. So I'm going to go ahead and start that process of pairing, and then head on back to the back, touch the little button underneath the camera, and that will finish the pairing sequence. All right, let's get started. Go ahead and power up the B26 touchscreen monitor. And to get the pairing mode, you just the screen, hit the menu button, then go up to the top, hit the pairing button, and it's going to allow you 50 seconds to go out and push the button underneath the camera to pair it. So let's go ahead and start the pairing sequence. Everything worked out pretty well, and I can actually see my camera in the rear. Actually, it was an easy installation. So let's go ahead and go over the menus real quick. And you just touch the screen, and then of course the lines will go away. But if you hit the menu, so you got the volume, pairing, picture mode, you got the mirror mode, settings, scan, park line, record, and play. Of course, you know, I really don't use all those features. I just want to have visibility in the back. But just go through the menus, volume. You can actually increase the volume. I think you can hear some noise in the background. They got some construction going on in the back. Or mute button, turn it on, hit the mute, and turn it off. And then this little arrow right here just takes you back to the main menu. So we already did the pairing, so let's go to picture. This is more like the screen itself. So if you take it, you can dim it from the brightness, contrast, color, and camera lead. So I'm going to keep the same original settings as is. Then you got the mirror, and then you got the cube mode. Now the cube mode is kind of unique. Now you can set up your cameras in all these type of configurations. You know, I like the quad one, which is this one right here. Let's go back. That one right there is already preset, so I'm gonna keep it that setting. Then of course this is settings, and this is, you know, you can control your trigger of the camera, which means that you can set it for motion, and then somebody walks behind you that actually start recording. So let's go back. Then you got the color system, then you got the auto dim and the LCD light. So it's just basic features that you can have at your disposal with this this monitor. And what I like about this is that you can actually record, but you gotta have an SD memory card installed on your monitor. So if you want that feature, it's available for you. And then last but not least, once you record, you can hit the play button, and then it'll play whatever you recorded on that memory card. So I think it's useful just for, you know, security wise, security surveillance. So that way you can monitor, you know, your pets, your kids, or whatever. However you want to monitor or how you want to use this camera system, you know, it has great features. And what I like about it too, you can also use it as a surveillance camera. And those are the features of the Haloview B26 wireless backup camera system. I'm going to wrap this video up and give you my final thoughts. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned. Okay, I just completed the review and the installation of the Haloview B26 touchscreen RV backup camera system. I really like this little camera system. I mean, it has all the features that my existing camera system doesn't have. But if you're in the market of upgrading your existing camera system, don't matter what brand it is, I do recommend you go with the B26. They also have the B27, which is a bigger screen, which is a 7-inch touchscreen monitor screen. So if you're interested in getting a bigger screen, Haloview has that particular model on their website. But if you are in the market and buying one of these, I do have a discount code for you. It's somewhere down here at the bottom of the screen here. I'm also going to post it in the description, and you will actually get 5% off this B26 model. And also, Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that notification bell to let you know when to keep you updated on our next video. Normally Roxanne is here with me to close out the video, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video on her behalf. Continue to love, bond with togetherness, and we'll see you on the next video. So until then, you be blessed and safe travels. Bye-bye.